Ayan, nahugasan na po natin ang ating chicken drumstick. Ngayon ay isi-season na po natin. Ayan, so isi-season natin ng salt. And then, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder. There you go, that's perfect. And then, paprika. That's it. And then, chicken bouillon. And then, 1 piece of lemon. Ayan, pampawala siya ng lansa, guys. There you go. Ayan, nailagay na po natin lahat ng seasonings. Ngayon ay hahaluin na po natin. So, haluin po natin siya ng mabuti para well-coated po siya. So, there you go. I-marinate po natin ng 4 hours. Kung gusto mo naman i-marinate ng mas matagal, pwedeng-pwede. Mas mainam po kasi magiging mas malasa siya. But sa akin, 4 hours lang po siya. Okay, after 4 hours, ayan, iluluto na po natin, guys. So, ganito lang. I-alternate lang po natin. Ganyan. Mas gusto ko to siya actually kaysa sa fried kasi mas healthy. There you go. And then, ibuhos po natin yung sauce na pinagbabaran po natin. And then, lalagyan ko po siya ng rosemary. Ayan, rosemary is very healthy, guys. Nainit ko na po yung oven. So, lutuin na po natin. So, lulutuin lang po natin ng 40 minutes ang ating chicken drumstick. So, after 40 minutes, here it is, guys. Done na po ang ating baked chicken drumstick. Ang bango sobra. Lalo na yung aroma ng rosemary. Napakabango niya, guys. So, tanggalin na po natin to dito. Here it is. This is our finished product, guys. Ayan. Ang bango sobra. Ayan. So, tanggalin natin tong rosemary bago po natin siya tikman. So, here it is, guys. Tikman po natin. I'm gonna take my first bite. Cheers! Tastes really good, guys. Tender and juicy. Napakasarap. Melt in my mouth. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!